guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be unboxing this TEMU parcel that I ordered. Was it last 2 weeks? I ordered last 2 weeks. So let's get right into the video. Let's know what is inside, if it's okay or so. Let's go. Wow. So the first stuff I got from the parcel is this shirt. Wow. I got these panties from TEMU just to stay at home. For me to stay at home. I would say it's not bad. It's not bad. It's 4 sets. 4 sets. I got it. So the review is not bad. It's not bad. I think it's okay. So this one is fine. The next stuff here is this. What's this? I got so many stuff. I can't even know the ones that. This for beach. If I'm going to beach, I will wear my beach wear. This one is up. Wow, this is really good. It's really good. Guys, I must say that I love this. It's really worth my money. The money is really good. Wow. So next thing is this men's slippers. I got it for my husband. Wow. I don't know, his leg is very long. I don't know if this thing is going to size him, but we'll try that later after the unboxing. It's not too bad. It's not too bad, but I was thinking is pure leather, but seeing this is not leather. It's a kind of how do I put it? Dunlop. How do you call it? It's not leather. It's not leather. It's a rubber zippers. Yes, it's a rubber zippers. It's not leather. But considering the amount, it's still good. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. You all know it's summer, so the girl have to slay. We have to slay this summer. So I got this. Wow. I got this swimming truck. Wow. The quality is top notch. Wow. I'm loving this. I got this swimming truck also for swimming. Wow. I love it. I love everything. It's really nice. Wow, this is beautiful. This is really, and it's stretching. It's stretching. Look at the top. Look, the back, and it has cup here. I think I order SL, 2SL. Yes, 2SL. Wow, this is really nice. It's really nice. So in the comment section, tell me which one is your favorite. Which of these I am unboxing is your favorite. For me now, this is my favorite. In fact, so far, all the things I got this time around, I'm not even saying that I have any regrets about any of it. No. Wow, the girl is girling. So I got these slippers also for myself. Wow, this is really beautiful. It's even better than my husband's own. See, it's even better than my husband's slippers. Wow, I love. I wanted to try it. It's really beautiful. Let me try it. I don't know if you guys can see it. Wow, this is nice. It's really nice. I don't know if you can see my feet. It's really nice. I love it. I love this. It's beautiful. It's not what I ordered versus what I got. What is here next? I think this one is for my baby. Yes, these jean jumpsuits, I got it for my Coco, for my baby. But as in, this time around, this I got, I really love them. Unlike last time I got something, it was very bizarre. This is for my daughter. I think I'm loving this. I love it. It's really, really nice. It's really, really nice. Wow, this is beautiful. Is the shoe for me, the slippers. Is the slippers for me. It's really nice considering the price. It's really nice. What is this? Ah, it's a kind of jumpsuit. It's a jumpsuit also. This jumpsuit. I was even confused. I was even confused. I ordered that. I can't even recognize what I ordered again. But it's really nice. But the quality is, but may considering the price. But it's like this thing is too big. Oh. It's like it's too big. Is it going to hug my body or is it going to be free? But I will try that later and see how it is. Sorry guys, my hair is just covering my face. It's all over my face. Okay, these two for if I'm wearing a clothes that is backless, I can wear this inside. I can wear this inside. It's okay. Ah, backless bra. Backless bra. Backless bra. It's really good. Ah, this is for my protein. It's for my protein. Wow, there's a lot going on here. I'll figure it out later. I would have. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's kind of shaker. If you make your protein overnight or you make it, it's really nice. It's really nice. Ah, these slippers. Let me tell you story behind these slippers. This sandal. I got this sandal for my daughter. She wore it like 2 times, and we were inside bus. When we came out, I forgot that she removed her sandal. That's how we came out with one leg. And I love the sandal very much. So I reordered it. I have to order it again for her. It was really beautiful on her. Imagine matching this with this. It goes very well. It goes very well. So this, I've seen it before. It's really good, and this is exactly how it was before. But the other one was smaller. I now ordered a bigger size than before. Yeah. Hey, ooh la la. Oh my God, this is beautiful. This is really, really beautiful, guys. Can you see my little princess? Don't mind me. Wow. Oh my God, I really love this. Oh no, mama. Mwah. This is for my big girl. My beep girl. So that's it, guys. Last but not the least, in the nylon is this shorts biker. This one. Wow. Wow. It's backless. The guy is going to be slaying. It's going to be slaying. So that's it. Everything I got is mostly for swimming or staying at home. So guys, that's the end of our unboxing. So away. Tell me in the comment section which of this item I got you love most. For me, everything is okay. It's not as before. I will buy something when it arrives, it looks somehow unlike what you saw online. But exactly all the things I bought are exactly what I got. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye.